What's up guys, Manish here. So in this video we'll be taking a look at on how to dual boot Ubuntu 14.04 alongside Windows 8.1. So now if in case you are trying to dual boot a different version of Ubuntu alongside Windows, this particular tutorial will still hold good. So now with that being said, let's get started. Alright guys, so the very first thing that you need to do in order to get started is you'll have to download these two files over here, and the link to both the files are there in the description below. So click on the first link which is there in the description and you land in this page over here. That's the Ubuntu's official website where you can download the OS. Now once you're on this website, choose your system architecture. Since I'm on a 64-bit computer over here, I will choose the 64-bit architecture and hit on the download. So that should basically start downloading the first file onto your computer. Now once you're done with that, click on the second link which is in the description and then scroll all the way down to where it says download universal USB installer. So just click on that button and you'll have the second file downloaded onto your computer. So once you're done with that, the next thing which you'll have to do is go ahead and right click on the second file over there and run it as an administrator. So once you're done with that, this particular window should pop up. Just hit on I agree and then select the Linux distribution as Ubuntu, and then what you'll have to do is you'll have to point to the first file which you have just downloaded. So hit on the browse button over there and then just go ahead and point it to the first file which you have just downloaded. That's the Ubuntu official ISO image. Select the file and hit on open, and then what you'll have to do is you'll have to select the USB flash drive. So I've already got my USB flash drive connected. I will choose my USB flash drive over here, and then what you'll have to do is you'll have to just click on the create button over there. So that should basically burn the Ubuntu ISO image onto your USB drive. So that should basically start writing the Ubuntu 14.04 ISO image onto your flash drive. So just wait till the whole process gets completed. So now for those of you who do not have a flash drive and would rather prefer to boot the OS from a CD, what you'll have to do is you'll have to go to this first file over here and right click on it and choose the second option that says burn disk image, and then this window should pop up over here. Choose the disk location and then just hit on the burn button over there. So that should basically start writing the Ubuntu 14.04 ISO image onto your disk. And the next thing that you'll have to do here is you'll have to restart a computer and select the boot device. Now if in case you guys have burned the Ubuntu ISO image onto a CD, select the third option that says CD or DVD device. Since I've got my Ubuntu ISO image burned onto a USB drive, I will choose the second option over there that says USB storage device. So just wait till you are presented with this screen over here. Now on the left hand side, go ahead and choose the language, and once you're done with that, hit on the install Ubuntu button over there. And then in the next screen, just make sure you have got all these things check marked, and also check mark the option that says install third-party software and hit on the continue button over there. So now on the next screen, you will be presented with a list of options over here, and what you could really do here is you can choose the first option that says install Ubuntu alongside Windows 8 and hit on the continue option over there. Now on the right hand side, what you see is the Ubuntu partition, and on the left is the Windows 8.1 partition over there. Now set the amount of space you want to allocate to the Ubuntu and the Windows 8.1 operating system. So I will allocate around 42 GB to the Ubuntu, and once you have done with that, hit on install now and then choose continue. And in the next screen, select the country where you live in. So I live in India, so I've got India selected over there, and then choose continue, and then choose the keyboard layout. So I will be using the English US. So once you've got the keyboard layout set, hit on the continue option over there, and over here set the name, and then type in your password over here. And once you're done with that, hit on the continue button over there, and that's it. Your Ubuntu operating system is getting installed now, so just wait till the whole process gets completed. And once it's done installing, just hit on the restart now button over there, and that should basically restart your computer. So once you restart your computer, you'll be presented with this multi-option screen over here, and as you can see, we have successfully dual booted Ubuntu alongside Windows 8. So now let me just go ahead and log into the Ubuntu 14.04 operating system. So now let me just go ahead and type in my password, and as you can see, we have successfully logged in to the Ubuntu OS. So that's it, guys. Hope you guys have really liked this video and found it useful. And if you did, please do make sure you hit the subscribe and the like button, which is found below this video. So that's it for now, and I'll see you guys in the next one.